Welcome to 7.4. We're going to be simplifying more complicated expressions here, but really you could have called this distributing a negative number because that is the main part of it. All right, so let's review combining like terms, right? So 3y plus 7y is 10y. 10y plus 2 is done because those are not like terms. 8x minus 2x is 6x, 6x plus 3y. Distributive property, right? You just multiply everything in the parentheses and only the things in the parentheses, and then you stop. All right. Today we're going to be having a negative number out there, which you'll see causes some issues, but the key is that you still have to multiply everything by -2. All right, so which is simpler? 2x plus -5 or 2x minus 5? Hopefully you look at that and see the right one is simpler. But those are equal to each other, right? No matter what. So when you get plus -5, you write it as -5. Okay? Same thing here. If you get minus -6, right, you're going to write plus 6. These are equal, but that one is considered simpler. All right, so let's do this. So multiply both those by -5, you get -5x, right? You can think of it as plus -15, but we're never going to write plus -15, right? So -5 times +3 is -15, and we're going to write that as -15, -5x minus 15, right? The reason it is the same as -5x plus -15, we just wouldn't write it that way. So we can go past that right to -15. Right, so here it's -12x minus 6y, -6 times +1y. Here, -4 times -7x, two negatives make a positive 28x, -4 times -9y, positive 36y. So we'll write that as plus 36y, or negative times a negative. And here, -2x minus 6 plus 3y, right? And those are not like terms. Okay, -4 times x is -4x, -4 times 1 is -4, so we'll write that as -4. Now, we do not multiply the 11x, but what can we stop there? No, because those are like terms. -4x plus 11x, 7x, 7x minus 4. Here, -12x minus 6y plus 5y. So we've got to add those together. So it's -12x, -6 plus 5, -1. It is -1y, which we write as -y. Now, when you see the situation here, what we're going to do is distribute a -1. Okay, and so this equals -4x minus 6. The key is that all the signs will change, and we'll see that. So that's whether that's minus 2x plus 3 or -2, the group 2x plus 3. Either way, you would do the same thing. That becomes -2x minus 3, -1 times +3. This would become -1x minus 4y. We're distributing a -1. All right, so here, right, everything's going to change sign. So it becomes, x becomes the opposite of x. -4y becomes +4y. +9 becomes -9. That's what happens when you distribute a -1. Here you distribute the -1 into the things in the parentheses. And then you have to look for combining like terms. -6y minus 2y is -8y. -6 minus 2, same as -6 plus -2, -8. Right, distributing a negative fraction. So this is -1/5 x. -1/5 times 30, right? We're going to cancel. And you get -6, which we'll write as -6. Those are equal for all values of x. negative 2/7 times 7x. The 7's cancel. You get negative 2x. Negative 2/7 times negative 21. You get negative 2 times the negative 3, positive 6, which you write as plus 6. All right, so let's practice. All right, this is negative 8x minus 56. This is negative 18x plus 12. Right, you have to multiply everything in there. 2/5, negative 2/5 times negative 5x. The 5's cancel the negatives. 2 negatives make a positive, and you get 2x. Negative 2/5 times negative 15. Negative times a negative is positive. Negative 2x plus 6. Distribute a negative 1 here. Negative 4x minus 2. Distribute a negative 7 here. So negative 7 times negative x is positive 7x. Negative 7 times 2y minus 14y plus 6. Those are not like terms. You're done. Negative 3 times x, negative 3x times negative 2y plus 6y. And so we have like terms. It's negative 3x plus 7y. And finally, negative 4/7 times 7x, negative 4x. Negative 4/7 times negative 14, positive 8, right? And then we do not distribute this to the negative 2, but we do have like terms. It's negative 4x plus 6. Good luck with the homework.